guys, welcome back to MC Art Designs. Today I'm working on another shark using a black background, and I decided to use pinkish violet colors for the top. Right there, that is an interference violet called Sequins by TLP. You see how it starts to get like a pinkish violet vibe after you put it on a black base or dark base. So I'm going to let you guys watch as I put down the colors. I've listed them all for you. If you have any questions about where I get my pigments, where I get the cutouts, I basically make the cutouts myself. And I do sell them on my Etsy shop if you're interested. I make all kinds of different types of cutouts. So I kind of just cut out what I want to paint. But I do have a lot of sharks, different shaped sharks if you're interested. All right. Enjoy the music, and again, please share a comment with me if you have any questions or want me to specify a particular area that I'm working on, give you more descriptive details. Just let me know. I love to help people. I love painting and I love to teach it. So if you're interested or you want some more information, just hit me up, okay? Thank you. Thanks for being here and watching my video. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. 고민하는 내게 힘이 가요. 눈이 마주친 느낌이 와요. Can't nobody stop the move. 움직인 순간 이미 시작돼요. I've been thinking about the way that you look. It's like I'm losing control of myself. You make a mess of me. I don't care if they say that I'm a bad girl, 'cause I gotta do, oh I gotta do, yeah, what I feel like. Well, I don't care if you think that I'm a bad girl. I just wanna do what I wanna do to feel my desires. I'm feeling like no, but I'm thinking like go. I know what I want, I see what I want, I just gotta do, I'm feeling like no, but I'm thinking like go. You know what you want, you say what you want, what you gonna do, now. Come over here, I got something to show you. I am willing to try if you're feeling the same, 'cause I'd love to see ya, but I might just leave ya. Don't take too much, I don't won't wait for ya. I don't care if they say that I'm a bad girl, 'cause I gotta do, yeah, what I feel like. Well, I don't care if you think that I'm a bad girl. I just wanna do what I wanna do to feel my desires. I'm feeling like no, but I'm thinking like go. I know what I want, I see what I want, I just gotta do, I'm feeling like no, but I'm thinking like go. You know what you want, you see what you want, what you gonna do, light fades out. You just follow my lead, you can't resist, bite my lips. 오늘 밤 우리 끝난다 해도 지금은 멈추지 마요. I don't care if they say that I'm a bad girl, 'cause I gotta do, oh I gotta do, yeah, what I feel like. Well, I don't care if you think that I'm a bad girl. I just wanna do what I wanna do to feel my desire. I'm feeling like no, but I'm thinking like go. I see what I want, I just gotta do, I'm feeling like no, but I'm thinking like go. You know what you want, you see what you want, what you gonna do, You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now.